Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where dreams rise from the ground as masterpieces of light, architecture, and passion. Today, we take you inside one of California's most breathtaking estates, 1885 Jalinda Drive, Santa Barbara, listed for $15,750,000 and proudly presented by Crystal Clark of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. From the first drone glimpse, this yellow and white Mediterranean-style mansion commands attention. Surrounded by lush greenery and ocean views that stretch to infinity, the home glows in golden sunlight, a true crown of Montecito. As the drone descends, tall palm trees sway gently and the grand entry unfolds, inviting you into a world where elegance meets serenity. The massive arched doorway opens to a spectacular interior. White marble floors, soft yellow walls, golden accents, and sunlight flowing through tall French windows create a living artwork. A majestic curved staircase sweeps upward beneath a crystal chandelier, glowing in warm light, a symbol of sophistication and pride. Move into the living space and you feel the harmony of design. The TV lounge blends comfort and style, a curved 85-inch screen set into a marble wall, soft white sofas with gold pillows, ambient lights that fill the room with warmth, and endless space for laughter, family, and memories. Just steps away lies the gourmet kitchen, crafted for both beauty and function. At its center stands a massive double-edged marble island under golden pendant lights. Sleek yellow and white cabinetry, high-end stainless appliances, and a butler's kitchen tucked behind complete this culinary dream. Every corner whispers luxury, from the sparkling surfaces to the subtle scent of the ocean drifting through open French doors. As we glide through the home, the sense of grandeur continues. Each bedroom is a private retreat filled with golden sunlight and calm ocean breezes. Soft tones, floor-to-ceiling windows, and open terraces capture the spirit of coastal living. The primary suite offers not one but two full baths, each with walk-in closets, marble vanities, and private balconies gazing toward the Pacific horizon. The bathrooms are more than functional. They are spas sculpted from stone and glass, filled with warm light, golden fixtures, and freestanding tubs that invite you to pause and breathe. The journey continues through the garage, where glossy floors reflect the silhouettes of fine automobiles. Here, every car is more than a machine, it's part of the art. From Ferrari to Porsche, power and prestige rest under elegant light. Beyond, the home gym stands ready with its glass walls, polished wood floors, and the latest equipment, a space of motivation, movement, and mindfulness. Step outside and the scene transforms into a resort. An infinity-edge swimming pool stretches toward the horizon, mirroring the blue sky. Lounge chairs, palm trees, and the gentle sound of water combine to create a sense of peace that few places on earth can offer. As evening approaches, the golden glow deepens. Inside, the serial room, or private cinema, comes alive. Plush yellow recliners, a massive 4K screen, ambient LED strips, and a starlit ceiling transform movie nights into a personal premiere. Here, you can lose yourself in your favorite show, surrounded by comfort and the soft hum of sound perfection. When night falls completely, the mansion becomes a glowing sculpture. Warm amber lights trace its curves, the marble gleams, and reflections shimmer across the pool. The drone lifts again, capturing the entire 1.77-acre estate in all its brilliance. Every view, from the ocean to the mountains, reminds you why Santa Barbara is called the American Riviera. This is not just a home. It's a statement, a masterpiece built for those who value art, beauty, and peace. With 6 bedrooms, 10 baths, a pool cabana, gym, dual primary suites, and impeccable design, 1885 Jalinda Drive defines modern luxury within timeless architecture. This presentation is brought to you by American Dream Mansions, inspiring your dream house. So sit back, take a deep breath, and imagine yourself here, where architecture meets emotion, where light meets comfort, and where every detail tells a story of elegance and art. Subscribe now to American Dream Mansions for more breathtaking properties across the United States, homes that redefine the meaning of the American dream.